Hey guys, my name is James Mason. In this video, I am gonna show you and explain to you what Bollinger Bands are. So, first off, if you have your charts open, to set up the indicator for Bollinger Bands, come up here to Studies, Edit Studies, and if you have anything in here already, just go ahead down here and save it. Now, after you save it, come up here and let's see, we will delete all that. Now, I'm going to keep my MACD on here and also the RSI. So, next, you'll want to come over here and type in Bollinger Bands. So B-O-L-L, and it pops up right here at the top. So click on that and then add it. Next, what I like to do is I'll go into settings over here and keep all this the same, but let's see. Okay, I'm going to keep this middle line blue. This lower band, I like to change it to red, and I'll explain why in a second. And the upper band, green. Now click OK. And once you have, Bollinger Bands in, the MACD, which these are default standards as well, and RSI default standards in, you'll come down here, click Save as Set, and you'll just type in whatever you want to name it, and then click Save. And then after you have that in, you'll click Apply and then OK. So basically, the reason why I like to have that lower band red and this upper band green is I like to think of it as in, if the price drops, meaning the candlesticks are dropping to the lower band, that's red. If it's going up for uptrending, that's green. So it just makes it simple in my mind, and again, it's personal preference, but so that's how you set up your Bollinger Bands. And so what are Bollinger Bands? Well, basically it measures volatility. So as you can see here, as the volatility increases, this price goes up, and it actually does the same thing for if the volatility either goes down or there's a lot of selling. So it's a very good indicator once you know how to use it to trade with, and it's one of my favorites. So that's how you set up Bollinger Bands. And hey, I appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, and please give these videos a like. I greatly appreciate that, and I will see you in the next one.